Kashmir has been unbearable. The amount of force that has been used, if it had been used in some other part of the world, you would have seen headlines upon headlines and editorials upon editorials. I've always told people, please treat Kashmir with justice, with passion. They have human rights. They are people of no lesser God. If you use pellet guns, I think we have created a record of using pellet guns against civilians. We have injured 9,000 youths who have pellet injuries in their eyes. Which era of humanity are we living in? The number of people that have been killed has crossed 124 last year. It's touching 100 this year and still counting. And in order to divert attention from the mainland valley, the line of control has been activated. We had more cross-border fire in 2016 and 17 than we had in last 15 years put together. And this cross-border fire has been meant to divert attention and cause pain. And pain to whom? Pain to ordinary Pakistanis. 84 civilian Pakistanis have been martyred, killed by Indian fire only in last 18 months. Once a normal bus, a civilian bus was going, it was fired upon, and we lost 9 civilians in that bus. We tried to recover those bodies by sending 2 ambulances. Which law of warfare will allow fire on ambulances which have gone to pick up dead bodies? This does not make news. It must, if Kashmir is to be resolved honorably and with dignity for the people that live there. For Kashmir is not a problem that can be wished away. It cannot be put under the carpet. It is the core issue, and it requires a sustained, meaningful, and result-oriented dialogue to be able to achieve a lasting peace in the region and beyond. That's not to say that we don't have